Okay, I just want to do a quick video on lighting and adjusting your HTP sidearm burner. It's pretty simple. First thing you want to do is make sure you got your high pressure regulator screwed into a standard size propane tank, just a regular style barbecue propane tank. And make sure your valve on your propane tank is off. Make sure this valve here is turned all the way to the left. That's counterclockwise, and that will mean that this valve is closed also. And this connection here, we want to make sure that's nice and tight, there's no leaks. And I like to secure mine in a vise if I'm making any adjustments on the burner. So pretty simply, all we do is come over here, we open up our valve on our propane tank, and we turn this valve here slowly to the right, clockwise, until we hear a hiss from the burner. Okay, I hear that. Come over here to the end. Light it up. So, once we have it lit, right now we're at a very low PSI, probably at 1 or 2 PSI, and we have a nice, even, steady flame there. I like to make sure I can go all the way from 1 or 2 PSI all the way up to the maximum output of my high pressure regulator. Whether you have a 20 PSI or 30 PSI regulator, I like to turn it all the way up. And we're good all the way up to 20 PSI. It's still nice and steady. So that means our MIG tip inside here, you can see it's about halfway between the inside and outside of this throat here. That's a pretty good place to be. Sometimes you might want to go a little further back or a little further forward. And once you have it adjusted outside of the forge, then you can test it on your forge. Make sure it's adjusted properly. So I'm going to go ahead and dial it back down. And I'll go ahead and turn it all the way off. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now, if I were noticing my flame was erratic, uneven, not able to go through those PSI ranges from low to high, then I might need to come in here and make a slight adjustment to this MIG tip. And that's simple. All we do is take 11mm socket, loosen this up, and slide it back or forward. And I like to do it while it's lit, and I just watch my flame. And I'm just looking for a smooth, steady flame. And that's all there is to that.